Here we have the CNC Power Simulator, and to be able to open up a program in the simulator, first you have to save them in C, and then Power CNC, Users, and PRG. This is a NC file, and you can write it in a notepad. Then to simulate your program, you have to click on Execute button, then on Select Program, and here you are going to find the programs you save on PRG. Here you select with double click your program, and then you go to Graphics button and Dimensions, and then you can establish here the proper dimensions of your piece. In this case are these ones, and then you click on Enter to establish them. Then you click on the green button to start your simulation, and then you can observe it on the top of the screen.
We are going to start our CNC base for Intel Tech software. Here we check our program that we select. We will be working in this one. So the next thing to do is to go to Tools, Setup Library. Here we see all the tools that we have, and we check that the dimensions are the correct ones. Okay. And then if one tool is not correct, we go to Tools, Setup Tool Wizard. Then there I have already defined a reference height, and select the tool, and then insert tool, and then we complete the process. But in this case we have already checked that, so we cancel it. And now we check our program. As we can see, we have our program that will be using the tool 2 with a spin of 2500, and well, and the next thing to do is to check if our sketch is correct. So we select the red box and verify program. We will see here, okay, F5. We will see here our sketch. Okay, so for example, here we see that so we correct the Y height with 70. So because we changed the dimensions, we can see here that it has changed. So we compile it again, verify program, and we can see that the sketch is correct. So this time, because all is correct, we can start our program in the real machine. Okay, so just to start it, we must click the green button to play. Thank you.